In this video, you'll learn how to use Broadcom-Defined explain profiles to simplify explain processing. These profiles contain best practice explain options that apply to customer roles and tasks, making it easier to standardize how explains are performed at your site and to start executing explains right away. Let's begin with a quick review on the explain types that are available in Plan Analyzer. A current explain uses the access path that is created by the Db2 optimizer and written to the explain tables when the package was last bound and matches the bind time. A future explain shows you the impact of rebinding a plan or package without actually performing the rebind. For example, you can determine whether a rebind would have a detrimental effect on your access paths. 6 profiles are provided. The profile that you select depends on your role and the task that you want to complete. Current and future Broadcom-Defined explain profiles are available for DBAs. These profiles are predefined to automatically generate short versions of the statement-level reports, including the access path report, dependency report, and expert system rules reports. Output is saved to the historical database. Current and future Broadcom-Defined explain profiles are also available for developers. These profiles are predefined for developers to a deep dive into the data and generate long, detailed versions of the statement-level reports, including the access path report, dependency report, expert system rules reports, and predicate report. When you select these profiles, output is not saved to the historical database. 2 other profiles at compare base and at compare after are provided to help you easily compare access paths and SQL costs. For example, if you want to explain your SQL and compare the access paths from before and after a migration to a new version of Db2, simply choose the compare baseline and compare after profiles when setting up your explain. The compare baseline profile executes a current explain and saves the explain output. The compare after profile executes a future explain, saves the explain output, and compares this output against the output generated using the compare baseline profile. When you use these Broadcom-Defined explain profiles without any additional user intervention, Plan Analyzer automatically selects the correct explain type, saves the explain output to the historical database, and generates reports that show any differences in access paths and SQL costs.